Hello students, welcome to the Computer Science Department. Myself PS Pawar, working as an assistant professor in KTHM College, Nasik. Today we are going to discuss the syllabus for the Fundamentals of Computer subject of FY BCA. The subject code is BCA 111. The total number of credits for this course are 4. In examination scheme, the continuous evaluation will be of 30 marks and end semester exam will be of 70 marks. The companion course for this course is BCA 115, that is Fundamental of Computer Laboratory. Total number of credits for this course are 1.5. In examination scheme for this companion course, the continuous evaluation will be of 15 marks and end semester exam will be of 35 marks. The course objectives for this course are that the student must be able to understand the basics of the computer system. The student must learn how to configure the computer devices, to learn the basic commands of operating system and application softwares. The student will also learn from this subject how to use the open source softwares. After successful completion of this course, the course outcomes will be that student will be able to define the working of computer and peripheral devices. They will be able to use various computer devices, how to use the various types of softwares and languages on computer, how to troubleshoot the computer system and use utility softwares. The student will be able to choose the commands and features of operating systems and application softwares. They will be able to use the various open source softwares which are available in the market. Unit 1, that is Introduction to Computer System. Here we are going to learn the introduction of the computer, that is various characteristics of computers, what are the various features, basic structure and operations of the computer. What are the different functional units and their interactions between all the functional units and components of the computer. Then we are going to study the various types of computers and their features. The various types of computer are, that is mini computers, microcomputers, mainframe computers, supercomputers, laptops and tablets. Then types of programming languages. We are going to learn the machine languages, assembly languages, high level languages, various translators, that are assemblers, compilers, interpreters. Then data organizations means the data will be organized in various drivers, directories and files. We are also going to learn in this unit, that is the number system. We are going to learn the introduction to binary, octal and hexadecimal number system, then convergence from binary to octal, binary to hexadecimal, hexadecimal to binary, hexadecimal to octal, octal to binary and octal to hexadecimal system, and addition, subtraction, multiplication and division in binary language. Unit 2, that is computer peripherals. In that we are going to learn the various primary storage devices, that is RAM. RAM stands for random access memory, ROM, read-only memory, PROM, programmable read-only memory, EPROM, erasable programmable read-only memory. Then secondary storage devices, that are HDD, hard disk drive, CD, compact disk, DVD and pen drive. I/O devices, we are going to learn I/O means input output devices, that are keyboards, scanners, digitizers, plotters, LCD, plasma display, etc. Then pointing devices, that are mouse, joystick, touch screens, and introduction to network devices, that are hubs, switches, routers, modems, access points, etc. Unit 3, that is computer software. Here we are going to learn the various types of software, that are system software, application software. In system software, we will learn operating system, types of operating system, basic commands in Linux like ls, pwd, cls, etc. Then introduction to GUI. In this we are going to learn that what are the desktop icons, files, directory structure, menu items, control panel, file and directory search. Utility programs, in that anti-plagiarism software, antivirus, disk cleaning, defragmentation, compression and decompression of files. Application softwares, various examples of commercial softwares with brief introduction. Unit 4, Editors, Word Processors, Spreadsheets and Presentation Tools. Here we are going to learn various editors and word processors, various features and functionalities, example of basic and advanced editors like Notepad, how to use Notepad, VI editors and Emac, introduction to desktop publishing, its features and functionalities. Then Spreadsheet, its features and functionalities, various applications on spreadsheets, that how to create a spreadsheet, how to perform various operations on spreadsheets, etc. Introduction to Google Apps. In this we are going to learn various Google applications, that are Google Docs, Sheets, Forms and its various applications. In presentation tools we are going to learn how to design the various slides, how to write text, images, charts, clip arts in presentation tools. Then how to apply the slide animation, template and theme creation in presentation tools. Unit 5, Open Source Softwares. Here we are going to learn the various open source softwares. Then in that, introduction to open source, freeware software, free softwares versus open source softwares, public domain softwares, problems with traditional commercial softwares, open source development model and licenses, history, initiatives, principles, methodologies and philosophy. Open source operating systems, that are GNU, Linux, Android, FreeBSDs, OpenSolaris, technologies, development tools, IDEs, LAMP, example. Open source projects, that are Apache Web Server, GNU Linux, Android, Mozilla Firefox, Wikipedia, Drupal, WordPress, GCC, GitHub, OpenOffice, etc. Next is Unit 6, that is PC hardware and trouble. Introduction to computer hardware, where we are going to learn what is motherboard, CPU, basic input and output setting, that is also called as BIOS, network interface cards, graphics cards and logical fault isolation. In that, adjust method, common networking problems, tools for gathering information, troubleshooting PC hardware. These are the various reference books that students should refer to study this subject. Thank you.